again.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Hairsmarket, and I have collaborated with them in the past. I have a 30-inch 4x4 HD closure wig. This is in the wear and go style.
I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy, never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy or some.
I am actually filming in my new studio. This is my first official video back. And of course, I thought, why not do a really beautiful, super long bombshell curly wig? This is the lace. It's looking really light. We're probably gonna tint it. Yeah, that needs to be tinted. I'm gonna use my DIY lace tint. It's basically rubbing alcohol and foundation. It works really well.
Years and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing.
Actually, don't like that. I'm going with my normal scissors now. Sometimes I find when you're wearing the wig and you try to do the zigzag scissors, it makes the lace flip up, and you definitely don't want that. It does look glueless, but it's not sticking down. Would you guys agree? I need to darken this lace some more. I think I'm gonna use lace mousse.
Never felt something just like this ecstasy, never been this close to heaven.
Okay guys, you can see what I can see, right? Like, it's just not looking that good glueless. It's looking all right, but I feel like it could be better.
Or somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
So that's what it looks like glueless. We can see that. I'm gonna go in and spray some lace spray. And I noticed that once I started melting my wigs down, it really does make that lay flat. So because this lace wanted to like curl up a bit too much for my liking,
Time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven.
by the way, you guys, I am almost all unpacked. I've been trying to take a few days off in between, but you guys know I have a very busy schedule. I post a lot of videos per week. Hard for me to like force myself to take a time off. Almost unpacked. I can't wait for you guys to actually see more of me, like other sides of me. I do plan on doing those types of videos, different styles. I just have to figure out the time to do it and figure out exactly what I want to do, because I have a very large living space and it's just way better set up for YouTube and that sort of thing. This is looking good. I'm gonna have to recurl some of these curls. We gotta detail the part.
That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a
Like, I really try to avoid using any products. If you've been here a while, you know this. Sometimes you just have to go over a section again.
this trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick.
How much hair is on this wig? Look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Guys, when I opened the box and I saw this wig, I was like, wow. The amount of hair that is on it and how beautiful it is and how long it is. Wow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish touching up the curls and then we're gonna come back and then comb through her. So I'm gonna use some BioSilk to comb through my curls. I like to use a little bit, not a lot, about this much. This is beautiful. About body wave, like body wave wig for me, I take a long time because I like to perfect it. I like to have those curls defined, especially around the face. It's really important for me anyway. So anytime I get a body wave wig, I know I'm gonna invest some solid time getting it perfect. But once it is, then it is like one of the most beautiful curl textures. So long.
Respect just disappear overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time.
It is beyond booty length and I'm here for every single inch. What I love most about this wig was the density. Now 200% on a lot of wigs is not even close to this 200%. I had to pre-curl this hair off camera because I knew that it would take me all day on camera, and I'm so glad that I did. But look how full she is, you guys. I hope it's really picking up on camera and translating. This wig does not need any more hair. I did bleach the knots and I did pre-pluck the hairline to give it a more natural hairline. I had to spray her down with my Wonder Lace spray from Ebin. It's my go-to. This works every time. I would recommend melting this wig down because again, that lace does tend to like lift up. I'm not so sure if it was giving me HD, but let me know what you guys think at home. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below for you, and if there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video before you go. It helps me bring giveaways to you guys and continue to do this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.